What is up, everyone? This is More Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 0xd0000034 when you're trying to do the upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go into your CMD, basically search CMD in your search bar, right-click into it, and run as administrator. Once you do this, you're going to run all of these commands that you see over here in order. Basically run netstop wuauserv, then this one, basically these 6 commands that you see here. Restart your computer, then do the upgrade, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So that's all you need to do. You guys will then be good to go, and you should not get this error persisting on your computer any longer. This might take some time because some of these are going to take some process to like kind of run through and like basically work off. But again, like I said, once you do this, you should be good to go. You should be able to upgrade and not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the like button on the channel. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that More Tutorials out. Peace.